Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Welcome to day 3. Today you're going to learn all about conditional statements, if, else, elif, logical operators, code blocks, scope, global and local namespacing, and a whole lot more. And by the end of the day, you will know enough to be able to build this awesome choose your own adventure game. So this is what it looks like when it loads. And our mission is to find the treasure. So it tells us you're at a crossroad. Where do you want to go? Left or right? Let's say I want to go left. You come to a lake, there's an island in the middle of the lake, type wait to wait for a boat, type swim to swim across. I'm going to wait for a boat. You arrive at the island unharmed. There's a house with 3 doors, 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. Which color do you choose? Let's choose red. And unfortunately, it's a room full of fire. Game over. So this game lets the user make decisions, and depending on what they've chosen, it continues the game storyline. If you want to have a go at this game, you can head over to this URL or simply click on the link in the course resources and have a play around with the game. And once you're ready, head over to the next lesson and we're going to start picking up the skills that's going to be required in order to build this game. So I'll see you on the next lesson.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.